Hey guys, just thought I'd make a quick video about this Noco GCP1 AC port. I was trying to think of a good place to put this, and initially I thought, something like this, right? You just back up, in a campground. It's kind of ideal spot, but I kind of want to look a little bit more stealthy, although you wouldn't know it based on the wheels on here, and you can see the roof vent and like a aftermarket roof rack, but I can change course later. Anyway, so here's what I came up with. So here's your plug you want to plug in. I'm at home. I'm just gonna plug it in my garage, and I made this contraption. You lift the license plate up, and I mounted it right there under the license plate. Let's use some hinges. Open that up, plug it in, let that back down a bit. Get a license plate like that. It'll keeps the water off it if it's raining. Seemed kind of perfect location for it. So anyway, just thought I'd share. This is the GCP1 AC port. And that's where I decided to put it. Anyway, that's it. Bye.